In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename files in Google Drive. Whether you're tidying up your digital documents or organizing your virtual workspace for easier navigation, knowing how to rename files in Google Drive is a handy skill. It can help you keep your files organized and accessible. First, let's begin by opening Google Drive. Once you're at the main screen, you'll see a list or grid of your files and folders. Take a look around and locate the specific file you want to rename. You might see it in the list, or you might have it stored inside a folder. If it's inside a folder, just navigate through your folders in the usual way. Once you've found the file you'd like to rename, simply move your cursor over it and perform a right-click. This action will open a small contextual menu with various options. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Rename. Go ahead and click on Rename. Now comes the part where you actually get to rename your file. A small box will appear around the current name of your file, and it will be highlighted, ready for you to type a new name. You can clear the existing name and type the new name you've decided on. While typing the new name, remember that it's generally a good idea to keep file names clear and descriptive. This way, you'll always know what that file contains without having to open it. Once you've entered the new name, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard to save your changes. The box around the name will disappear, confirming that your file has been successfully renamed. You'll see the updated name reflected immediately in your Google Drive. That wasn't too hard, was it? Changing a file's name is a quick and easy process that can make a significant difference in how you organize and access your documents. If you ever need to rename multiple files, you can repeat these steps as needed for each file. And there you have it. Renaming files in Google Drive is just a few clicks away. By following these steps, you can maintain a well-organized and efficient digital environment, making your Google Drive experience all the more productive. We hope you found this tutorial straightforward and useful. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.